Hello friends. So today we are going to discuss about the topic which is called as a collision. So first of all, what is the collision? Collision between two particles is defined as a mutual interaction of the particle for a short interval of a time, as a result for which the energy and momentum of the interacting particle changes. So what it means? To understand this definition or a concept, we need to take an example. Suppose we have two bodies, they are moving in a opposite direction with a different velocity, and at some point they are interact or collide with each other. This is called as a collision. When the two bodies get collide with each other, it is called as a collision. Second example is of the Rutherford experiment. Alpha particle bombardment to a nucleus. It does not directly interact with the nucleus. From some distance it gets scattered. This is also called as a part of a collision. We have categorized the collision into two categories: elastic collision and inelastic collision. Now what the mean of elastic collision and what the mean of inelastic collision? For the means of the elastic collision, it means if we have two body system, mass m1 m2, velocity u1 u2, if the momenta and kinetic energy of the system is conserved, it is called as a elastic collision. Means before and after the collision, momentum of a system remain conserved. Similarly, kinetic energy of the system remain conserved. Half m v1 square, half m2 v2 square. System remain conserved. This kind of the collision is called as elastic collision. In elastic collision, the momentum of the system is conserved, but kinetic energy does not conserve, because during the inelastic collision it is confirmed there will be any amount of the loss of the energy is there, either in the form of sound, either in the form of heat. There will be loss of energy. So that's why kinetic energy is not conserved. So such kind of the case is called as a inelastic collision. And most of the practical examples in our daily life are the inelastic collision. Clear? Inelastic collision having one special case, that is called as a perfectly inelastic collision. What it means? To understand this, take an example. We have a two body having mass m1 u1 and m2 u2. Both the bodies are moving toward opposite direction. Clear? During the time of collision, both the bodies stick together. And they move with the same velocity. So what it means? m1 plus m2 into v. Also the momentum during this process again conserved. Kinetic energy does not conserve. So this kind of the process is called as a perfectly inelastic collision. Clear? So hope you understand the basic concept of the collision. If you understand the basic concept of the collision, hit on the subscribe button and one like, please. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.